This video describes the many uses of KBS Coating's RustSeal rust preventive coating. RustSeal is a superior single-part, ready-to-use rust preventative coating that's impervious to road salt and most every chemical. RustSeal flows out to a beautiful, rock-hard, and durable ceramic-like coating that is tough to chip or scratch and will not crack or peel. RustSeal is specifically engineered to be user-friendly, reduce labor time, and provide a great-looking and long-lasting rust preventative finish. RustSeal is also the only rust preventative coating to be offered in a wide variety of colors. RustSeal got its start by focusing on the automotive market, and now is popular with automotive and power sports do-it-yourselfers and professionals alike. However, people are often unaware that RustSeal is perfect for a wide variety of uses. Preserving an item with RustSeal often presents a less expensive option than replacing it due to corrosion damage. Consider construction equipment. It can be very expensive to replace, and preventing rust with RustSeal is an economical way to help keep it maintained and extend its service life. Farm equipment needs continual maintenance, and RustSeal provides both a rust preventive coating and a durable finish that's up to the task of the rigors of farm work. Whether it's professional equipment like lawnmowers, wood chippers, or snowplows, KBS is up to the task of preventing rust. Home garden equipment can be refurbished too. Boats, boat trailers, and other marine equipment are subjected to harsh, corrosion-causing environments, especially more so when exposed to salt water. RustSeal seals metal against oxidation-causing moisture. More and more you hear about old fire escapes whose structural integrity has been compromised by rust. Imagine the cost of replacing one. KBS can help maintain fire escapes for many years. RustSeal is also great for preserving things like steel doors, steel roofs, ironwork, and more. Please keep in mind RustSeal is ideal for indoor machinery and for applications where the surface will not be exposed to sunlight. RustSeal is not intended for use as a final finish when used where the coated surface will be consistently exposed to sunlight. Repeated or prolonged exposure to direct UV light will alter its color and sheen. RustSeal's guaranteed rust protective properties, however, will not degrade. For applications that will receive significant exposure to sunlight, we recommend protecting against unwanted cosmetic changes by top coating with KBS Blacktop, Top Coater, KBS Max, or any opaque paint system. Please note that clear coats cannot provide the needed UV protection. RustSeal performs in industrial applications as well, such as coating I-beams after production. RustSeal can be used to seal concrete too. For example, the KBS warehouse floor is sealed with RustSeal. Rust and corrosion often end the life of something that could otherwise have provided additional years of useful service. Replacing it or repairing significant rust damage can prove to be costly. Further, something unique and irreplaceable may be lost. Protecting metal items with RustSeal before rust damage becomes severe will not only help keep it in functional condition, it will help retain its value and appearance. No other brand is tougher on rust than RustSeal. Using premium quality materials and advanced color formulations, this high-tech performance coating is the present-day answer for 21st century rust protection. If you have any questions about RustSeal and its application, please contact us for more information.